have to have a registered agent associated with your business. All this means is it's somebody that's going to accept your legal documents. It could be you, it could be your attorney, it could be another member or founder of your company. The person has to live in the state that you live in, and they have to be available during business hours. It's pretty simple to do this. You're just going to include their information along with your articles of organization. The next step that you're going to take is to get your EIN. Your EIN is your employee identification number, and this is essentially social security number for your business. It is your federal tax ID number. Why do you need this? Well, if you want to open a bank account for your business, you will need to have an EIN to open an account for your business. As well as if you want to hire employees and pay your taxes, you're going to have that EIN. But it's not that difficult. You can apply for free online on the IRS's website. When you're doing all these different application forms and applying, make sure that you keep track of everything. I have a downloadable checklist for you to use, as well as information on a filing system that you can use to keep track. It's really important that you keep track of all your documentation because it's super easy to forget where you are in the process, especially when sometimes you have to come back to something. And when you do your EIN, you're going to have all of your information readily available to you so you can complete the form online. So your action steps with this are pretty simple. Collect all of your information, create a binder with all of your information in it, separate those out by the different categories. Again, there's a downloadable for that. Then once you have all your information together, then look up irs.gov. When you're on that website, look for just search for EIN, and it will take you through the process so that you can complete your EIN. But you will, again, have to have your LLC information available at your fingertips so you can complete this form.